Hello guys, welcome back to a new Let Escape 2 video. Today we are going to try and complete magmatic mines, okay. It is insane. I was in a server with had one, but well, I died. Just to test, but I probably have it now and I could probably do it. So we are going to try and complete it in this video, and it won't probably be that hard. Lava towers going on right now, and I'll just skip to the part when we actually get the magmatic. Okay, so I'm at beneath the ruins real quick with a rescue mission, so I just thought, why wouldn't I show this? It's pretty cool. Pretty laggy, and that does not matter that much. It just matters that I don't die. I'm still gonna grab a goud, the rescue goud. Okay, right there. You come with me. I want your 2 gems. Thank you. Now I gotta go through here. And at the last zone. I'll probably die, but who cares? No. Well. I actually did it. Wow. And I was beneath the ruins. The heart is insane. And we're gonna do 2 magmatic mines. Because, well, it's the newest one. So, why not just give it a try? It is one day old. Hello? Am I laggy or... Everything has already been completed. I do think the music's pretty damn good. I have no clue why this is so much lagging. I just hope that I don't get disconnected, because sometimes well, I don't want to get disconnected. Just that. Almost at the finish. What's that? And we did it! There we go. We completed magmatic mines. And that was it for today's episode. I hope you liked it. Bye!